Hey YouTube, got a short video for you here. Always wanted to have one of these truck bed cranes to put all the heavy stuff in the back of my truck when I was by myself, so here's what I wound up with. I was originally going to modify this and add one of the hand crank winches, but, because I can't leave anything alone. But after looking into it, I realized I really didn't need that. I will tell you, if you're going to put one of these in your vehicle, especially if a truck like mine, don't do what I did. Leave the mount as far back to the bed as possible. I moved this kind of forward so that it would tuck in front of that bulkhead on the side of the bed, and it just barely will clear the tailgate when you're lifting something up. I got it mounted in the truck based on the instructions that were included with the kit, and realized that we're going to need old Mr. Welder here. Had to take the bracket that was included, reinforce it with some extra tubing, and then bolt it to the underside of the truck. I wanted to just flex whenever I had anything heavy on it. It would just pull the bed floor over. Fortunately, it's an old truck, so I really didn't care. And here's how I built the first bracket here. And this is what I wound up with. Just a L bracket with some tubing. Had some holes drilled in that one arm so that I could bolt that through one of the bed reinforcements. Then we had to make it at least pretty so it wouldn't completely rust. Some rattle can paint, and that's what we wound up with. Bolted it back into the underside of the truck, and that's what it looks like. It actually sandwiches between the frame and the bed floor as well, so that the frame is kind of holding some of the load. I found out though that even this was not going to be adequate, so here's what I had to do next. Added some more reinforcement, made a little U-shaped piece out of some angle iron, and then welded it to the back side so that the two side rails of the mounting that came with the mounting kit were tied together. And then that is also still sandwiched between the bed floor and the frame. And this was the hot ticket. This has not flexed, bent, or anything. Really, the only thing that I would change is if I hadn't already made it permanent, I would move this to the back of the truck a little further to reach past the tailgate. And here's the proof in the pudding that it does actually work for what I needed it to do. So I hope you like the video. Please like, share, comment, and if you would, subscribe. Appreciate you. Thanks for watching.